All right, these are the noise canceling headphones. These are very nice. They have a microphone here on the bottom that you can plug in. You don't have to have that. You have your controls here on the bottom. And when you do have the active noise canceling, it does make you basically disappear from everything else, right? You can't hear it. Yeah. My son was using these on his PlayStation. So when he used it on his PlayStation, it comes with this little dongle here, and you use the USB-C, right? Mm-hmm. So you can use either one. It comes with both, which is really nice, and then it kind of folds together. So I'll give you a quicker look or a closer look at these. They are adjustable, so if you want to, make it bigger to fit your bigger head or smaller head, you can. They do fold up very nicely, and the nice thing about that is they come with a bag. So if you're traveling, like we'll be taking these on a plane, the noise canceling on a plane is once you do that, you'll never go back. You'll definitely take these on the plane with you. They fold up really nice in this bag. They come with a charging cable. To get power into this, you use USB-C right there. And I believe this is the microphone that the system uses for the noise canceling. But yeah, these are just awesome. And you can turn the noise canceling on and off, so you can still get that outside noise if you want. It has a volume up and down button here. And this is the on and off button. You can switch between Bluetooth. So we just had this connected to the phone, so you could listen through Bluetooth, or you can plug it in using the dongle, and you just basically change between those two modes using the button there. It's got instructions. It tells you how to do it. This is the box it came in. So yeah, really nice. And I like that you could put this on and off the microphone part. And yeah, these are the headphones. I think they're nice. These are the ear parts. They are very comfortable. Comfortable?
Yeah, very.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Anything you didn't like about them?
One thing is that when you had to plug it into the phone, some like modern cases, this port right here. About the headphones, it was good, but this little port, like that, take that off.
I know, but guess what? When you're connected to your phone, you're going to be doing Bluetooth. You're not going to use a dongle. So yeah, they thought of everything. It works really well. I don't see any issues with them. I like them. I'm stoked.